Today I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Images. So first make sure that you have a Grok account, and then once you open your account you will see over here there's create images, edit images. So you can just go ahead and create images over here in your Grok as well. So it will make your image whatever you see, whatever you say. So you can see over here, draw a river otter playing a ukulele, and you can see the image being generated. So this is how you can easily use the Google, your Grok images over here. Now you can also edit images. So you can upload a image and work on it. So over here, like create another cat here. So you can just go ahead and upload and request the another from your previous images, and it will make sure to generate the images over here. So this is how you can easily go and create your images in Grok. Thank you so much for watching.